How to hide taskbar while playing games. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, in your home page, in this taskbar, simply right click. Now you will see two options, Task Manager and Taskbar Settings. Go to Taskbar Settings. Now it will lead you to this page. After that, what you will have to do is go to Task View and then simply toggle this task view off. And then simply drag down this taskbar behaviors, and here what you will have to do is in this automatically hide, you have to activate that. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in